Everyone needs that in their vehicle. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. It is your boy Javi here, bringing you back another product review. And in today's video, I've partnered up with UIBI to bring you guys a jump starter with air compressor power bank. And you might be thinking to yourself, what do you mean a power bank? A power bank charges your phone. Well, it does that too. So check this out. It has the capability of jump starting your vehicle, inflating your tires, charging your phone, and it has an integrated LED flashlight in it too, which it brightens up pretty well, just in case if you ever need to jump start your vehicle or fill your tires, or if you have an emergency at night in the middle of the road and you don't need to use these two, meaning inflating or jump start your cars, at least you have the LED light to get around and see what you're looking for. And it's also going to charge your phone. Here in the box, we could see that it gives you the description about how to jump start your vehicle. I mean, if you know that at this point, then you probably need to do a little bit more research doing mechanical work, but it pretty much gives you step by step on how to jump start your vehicle and everything that's connected. This is the model X7 with a capability of 8.8 WH. It has a peak current of 3,500 amps, a pump pressure of 160 PSI, a starting voltage of 12 volt, which is what you need for your battery, a USB, a type C, and again the LED. This is the UIBI jump starter air compressor power bank, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you. I'm going to show you everything that comes in here, because it actually comes with a cover, with a hard case cover that's going to be in your vehicle, because I suggest that you should keep this in your vehicle at all times. Now, if you want to find this product, this will be in the link below in the description where you can pick this up on Amazon, and this is a great product. Let's get into the unboxing. Let's see what comes in it, and let's mess around with it so I can show you guys the options and specifics of it. All right, so here it is, guys. I decided to put a little bit more lighting as it looks better. So it comes with a hard case, very strong zipper, and it has a latch here for you to hook it up to the vehicle. So let's see what comes in here. And this is the power bank right here. This is your bad boy here. So let me show you some of the features that this has. Obviously, big name here. Tells you right here, 3,500 amps, 160 PSI. Now, if we turn it around, we see right here the USB type C. We see the regular USB. We see the hole right here for inflating your tires. And this is your LED right here. Now, when we turn it on, you're gonna hold that for a second. You're gonna give it a second. Now, if you wanna turn the light on, there is a button up here. You turn that on and you can see it there. It also flashes. You press it one more time, it's gonna flash and it's gonna stay on. And if you press it one more time, it's gonna go off. Here gives a great detail about this product. If you go to manual and you hit it, you're gonna see the PSIs that you want on your tires. So you could actually adjust the PSIs. And if we turn it on, you're gonna hear blowing air. So that's how it sounds right there. You can tell it's doing work. So 38 pounds, 36 pounds, whatever it is you need to put on your tires. Now check this out. If you hit the manual button, you're gonna see that it changes here to category. So if you need to fill the tires on your bike, you could do that. If you need to do it on your cycling bike, you could do that. If you're gonna fill a soccer ball or a basketball, it has the option for that. And then here, if you press it again, it has vehicle. Now, let's see what else is in the package. All right, so here we have another compartment. We got the manual. We have the hose right here for the air, which comes with it. Now, this one obviously has the locking mechanism. So if you're gonna put it on the valve, it pretty much locks in there. This is the tip that goes on the outer part of the box. This is the kit for jump starting, which brings obviously your positive and your negative. And this is the connection that goes on the side right here. You have to unlock this here. You have to pretty much put it up, not unlock it, pretty much open it. You stick it on this end, and then here's your positive and your negative. So this also comes with the kit. What else comes in here? So this is actually pretty cool. They included a needle if you're gonna fill a basketball or a soccer ball, and it included other tips also if you're gonna charge something else that you're gonna pump air into it. Now, it does have a USB cable, which I am using to charge right now because I pull it out of the plug. And if you can see in the compartment here, it has the little box there, the little close-in for you to put all the stuff in there. So let's go ahead and try it out on the vehicle. Let's go ahead and put some air on it, and let's go see how well it does. And there you have it, guys. This is the UIBI JumpStarter air compressor power bank. If you guys want to check more of it, there's a link in the description below where you can pick one for yourself. I recommend that everyone who's a car enthusiast like me, even if you're not, this is something that should always be on your vehicle. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to tune in and subscribe. Your boy is out.